Want to fix a broken or stuck float in your toilet without calling some pricey plumber right away? Okay, so here's the deal. First, lift the tank lid carefully and put it somewhere safe so you don't break it. Then check the float. This little ball or cup thing controls how much water fills the tank. If it's stuck, gently move it up and down to see if it's jammed or caught on something. Sometimes mineral deposits or rust can make it sticky, so try wiping it down with a damp cloth or some vinegar. If the float looks cracked or damaged, you might need to replace it entirely, which you can find at any home improvement store. Adjusting the float's height is key too. If it's set too high, your toilet will keep running. Too low, and the tank won't fill properly. Just bend the float arm a little or slide the float on its rod until you get the right water level. Test it by flushing and watching how the float moves and stops the flow of water. One of the biggest problems with fixing a broken or stuck float is not identifying whether the float is actually damaged or just dirty, which can lead to wasting time or money on unnecessary replacements. To fix this, always inspect closely and clean before buying new parts. Another common mistake is adjusting the float without checking the water level, causing either constant running water or weak flushes. Fix this by making small adjustments and testing after each change. Lastly, people often forget to turn off the water supply before working on the float, resulting in water spills or damage. Just make sure to shut off the valve behind your toilet before starting. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners by connecting them with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't rip you off. For contractors, it's a great way to find steady work and grow their business without all the hassle of marketing alone.